always be grateful for. And surely, as I enter my legal journey, you will still be part of my transformation as a fully grown woman. And para sa mga relatives ko, it suits me how your presence became part of this memorable day as of the moment. And para sa parents ko, my mom and my papa, and to God, thank you for guiding and blessing me and my family through the years. Thank you rin po sa Kabalan for the masasarap na foods na in-offer niyo sa aming lahat. And